Hello guys, we will do another simplification problem. After a long time, I am back. First 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 and another part 1 plus 2 whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 whole square. Then 8 into 3 into 3 9 8 into 9 is equal to 72. But it is totally wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. According to the PEMDAS rule, first you have to do the parenthesis and then exponent, then another multiplication, addition, subtraction, and must be follow left to right rule of the expression. So first we have to do 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 square. Then 2 into 3 square is equal to 9. Then 2 into 9 is equal to 18. And then 6 plus 18 is equal to 24. It is the answer. Please like, comment, and share.